I hope you're all well today. This is going to be a video on a function that we all use. Probably have to use using the mouse, but there is a way you can do it using the keyboard, and it's used every time you create anything in Excel. The problem is if you're, say, let's look at column A, the standard width, I can't read the word file manager. Let's make it a bit smaller so it's a bit obvious to you. I can't read the word Outlook, Windows, File Manager because the column's not wide enough. So if you was using a mouse, you'd have to click on in between the A and the B column headers when your icon changes. If you double click now, it will jump to the widest data in that column. And there are ways that you can use the mouse to resize all of them. If you wanted to do the same thing in the ribbon, you could go to your home ribbon, formats, and then we've got this auto fit column width here. But to get to that using the keys, so if I'm in the middle of, also on this example, where it's got January, February, March, they're too wide. They don't need to be that wide. The April, May, and June are okay. Total isn't wide enough. Monthly total, I can't read the word total and I can't read the word average, so they all need to become wider. So what I would do with that, I would select all. I'm just going to do a Control A. I'm not worried about the title, so I'm happy with just selecting the table. I press the Alt key. That opens up the outer ribbon, and you can see the letters that we're going to need are in the black boxes. I know it's in the home ribbon, so I'm pressing H. Now it opens up the keys for all of the functions in the home ribbon. I need the format menu, so that's O, and that's opened up the format menu, and I need auto fit column width, which is I. And then you see that's automatically jumped to adjust the column widths to fit all of the data that's in the columns. I know in this example I may have that as a wrap text on two lines, but for this example, I left it wide. Let me do an undo. Let me start again. So I select Control A, select all, Alt HOI, HOI. You get to remember that HOI quite quickly. They're fairly close on the keyboards. It becomes instinctive to do that. Select all, Control A, Alt HOI. I hope that's of some use to you. It's well worth learning that one because column widths we always adjusting them, and that will save you a bit of time, the amount of times you have to do it. Okay, any questions, please put them in the comments, and thanks for watching.